guys, so let's just jump right into it. Today we're doing the watercolor method. So first you're going to need some very hot water, not boiling, right before boiling. So I just used my tea kettle to heat the water up super quickly, and I'm just putting it in a glass bowl so you guys could see the color and see what I'm doing, but you can use it in any heat safe bowl. And then these are the colors I'm going to be using. It's like, one of them is called Grape, which is not purple really, it's more of a blue. And then I'm using Midnight Black because the idea was I wanted to be black purple, like where it was mainly black, but then in like the sunlight it would be purple. Obviously that's not what I came out with if you saw my thumbnail, but you know, whatever, I didn't know all that when I was doing it. So I was frequently dipping a paper towel into the water to see what color I was getting. This is not accurate at all, so I mean, you can try it for yourself, but in my experience doing this, the paper towel did not tell me what color I was gonna get. So not knowing that, I added in some of this purple, and then I added in a little bit of this sapphire semi-permanent color that I had lying around. And then I dunked my wig in. So I cut a lot of this process because honestly, I kept taking it out to check the lace because this was awfully dark water, and I'm like, everybody that's been doing this watercolor method was doing neon colors, so of course their lace wasn't going to get stained. So I was a little bit concerned about my lace, but it does not stain your lace. However, I would suggest that you wait to bleach your knots until after you do this process, because if you bleach your knots and then you do this process, they're just going to be colored the same color as the rest of the hair. So definitely bleach your knots after you do this watercolor method. So here I am just taking the wig out after about 5 minutes of soaking, and then I run it under cold water, shampoo it, and condition it. I did not put it in the microwave because I didn't want the color to come out. So it's important to note when you're doing this method that whatever part of the wig that touches the mixture first is going to be the part that has the most pigment. It like sucks in all the color, and then as you're dipping your wig, the rest of your wig gets colored too, but it's that initial part that gains the most color. So do keep that in mind when you're coloring your wigs. And then the next day I decided I wanted the roots to be darker, so I did the same process all over, except I only used this Midnight Black color, and I only dipped the top of the wig. I parted the wig and then I only dipped the top into the water. And I didn't bother shampooing it or conditioning it afterward. I just rinsed it with cold water and let it air dry. Alright, so this is the final look. It's a lot of hair. I wish the curls weren't so defined. I'm trying to comb them out, but I think they're just gonna have to fall naturally. Maybe I shouldn't have put any hairspray in it, but I'm digging this color. This color is everything. And this is kind of different than what I'm usually doing. I usually do golds and reds and stuff like that. Very warm tone colors. This is very cool tone, very different for me, but I wanted something new, like I said. But it's just been getting bored. Just been getting bored. You guys notice I haven't been really doing my makeup lately. I'm just not inspired. So I'm looking for a lot more inspiration, a lot more, yeah, basically inspiration, something to get me motivated to, you know, try new things as far as my hair goes and sit down and do my makeup and, you know, just be creative. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video.